Hi guys, how to download Cemu Emulator for PC. Ever dreamed of playing Nintendo Wii U games right on your PC? What if I told you there's an emulator that makes it possible, smooth, fast, and completely free? Stick around, because in just a few seconds, I'll show you how to download and install Cemu Emulator on your PC step by step. First of all, open Chrome and search Cemu Emulator download, scroll down, and click Cemu free download link in description. And click the download. Again, click the start download. Your downloading was start. After that downloading was complete, to click the show folder. In this is Cemu setup, double click. And select your language, and click the OK. After that, click the down next. In click accept. Again, click accept. And file X starting with start. After that, click the run. And this is extract your file and double click the Cemu. And click the extract all. And this is location. To install, you change this, click the browser and select your location. And click the extract. After that, this is your Cemu folder, click on it and down the Cemu and update is available. Click the update you're updating with start. And that's it, a Cemu Emulator is now ready on your PC. Enjoy your favorite Wii U games in HD with zero lag. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more easy gaming tutorials. See you in the next one. Game on!